Nike continues its playful tribute to pandas with another Dunk Low Panda release, expected in fall 2025 for $130. This latest iteration stands out with a bright blue and university gold twist, breaking away from the traditional black and white palette. While it doesn't fully mimic the furry coat of a panda, the hairy suede upper adds a rugged, animalistic texture that nods to the creature's signature look. It's not quite pony hair, but the rough suede delivers a tactile feel reminiscent of previous Panda-inspired designs. This pair follows the recently revealed Picante Red version, expanding the colorful collection celebrating the Dunk's 40th anniversary. With its bold color combo and textured materials, this upcoming release is poised to be another hit among Dunk collectors. Believe it or not, a group of pandas is called an embarrassment, and with Nike's growing lineup, this Dunk might just join a stylish embarrassment of sneakers.